Questions are still looming around red tide impacts to our environment and our health.
That's right. Researchers at Florida Gulf Coast University are trying to get answers through a new project called the FGCU Red Tide Initiative.
But before they can get to work and get those answers for you, they're going to need millions of dollars to pay for the research from the state. 4 in Your Corner's Alyssa Dickert has the details. Alyssa?
The coast might be clear for now of red tide, but scientists at FGCU haven't stopped looking into it. The university recently sent a letter to Governor Ron DeSantis asking the state to pay for this proposed research project. The cost, $9 million. And if the state foots the bill, it'll be coming out of your pocket.
These are taxpayer funds, and we will use them as carefully and as efficiently as possible, realizing that this is to the benefit of all of us.
The big question researchers at FGCU are trying to answer when it comes to red tide.
We wonder if there's anything that we're doing that might be making it worse or enabling it to hang around longer.
The proposed project is broken up into different parts, starting with studying nutrients that go into the water. The environmental impact. This year alone, Lee County had more than 220 tons of dead marine life wash ashore. Economic impact.
The economic numbers in terms of Fort Myers Beach losing $2.6 million per week.
It'll look at human health, from the air that we breathe in to the seafood we eat. So how is this project different than others that have been done?
There are a lot of unknowns that we need to address that other previous studies have acknowledged, but they just didn't have the resources to continue to look at some of these other compartments.
And if approved, other colleges across the state might get involved.
I hope this will be a collaborative project.
Fishery biologists, chemists, human health practitioners, oceanographers, all involved, because it's a very large and complex issue.
The end goal is to find out how to better predict and manage red tide and educating us on it.
Cleaning up our local waterways is something that's going to be better for everybody in Florida.
In Lee County, Alyssa Dickert, Fox 4 in your corner.
Thank you, Alyssa. The $9 million would have to be approved this legislative session. That starts in March. If approved, the length of the project would take about 5 years.